Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some delicious smoothie. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe for more food videos. So let's get started. Firstly, you will need 5 strawberries. Then you will need 2 cups of milk. Or you could pour more than 2 cups, as you wish. Next, add 1 banana. You can cut it in half so it will blend easier. Now I've added blueberries. I only added 10, but you can add as many as you like. Pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And lastly, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Finally, it's the last blend to smooth it all together. Now I'm going to add the yummy, delicious purple smoothie in a lovely cup. Top it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And you're done making your delicious smoothie. It tastes so yummy. Make sure you make it at home. Thanks for watching.